Have you ever thought about what keeps you standing tall, moving strong, and feeling your best every single day? A huge part of that is thanks to a tiny but mighty mineral, calcium. It's the superstar behind strong bones and teeth, but its job doesn't stop there. Calcium is crucial for your muscles to move, your nerves to send messages, and even for your heart to beat properly. So, how can we make sure we're getting enough of this essential nutrient to live our most vibrant lives? Let's dive into some simple, natural ways to boost your calcium levels. First up, let's talk about food, the most delicious way to get your daily dose. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese are famously packed with calcium. A glass of milk or a cup of yogurt can give you a significant portion of what you need for the day.
But what if you're not a fan of dairy? No problem at all.
Nature has provided plenty of other amazing sources. Leafy green vegetables are your best friends here. Think kale, broccoli, and spinach. They are not only rich in calcium but also loaded with other vitamins and minerals. Nuts, especially almonds, are another fantastic snack that contributes to your calcium intake. And don't forget about seeds. Sprinkling some chia seeds or sesame seeds on your meals is an easy and effective way to get more calcium. Now, here's a crucial piece of the puzzle. Getting calcium into your body is one thing, but making sure your body can actually use it is another. This is where vitamin D comes in.
Think of vitamin D as the key that unlocks the door for calcium to enter your bloodstream and do its job.
The best and most natural source of vitamin D is sunlight. Just a short amount of time outdoors each day can help your body produce what it needs. Of course, we can also get vitamin D from food. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are excellent sources, as are egg yolks and fortified foods. So, when you're planning your calcium-rich meals, remember to pair them with some vitamin D for maximum effect. For an extra absorption boost, you can also pair your calcium sources with vitamin C. So having an orange alongside your yogurt or adding some bell peppers to your kale salad can make a real difference. Beyond what you eat, your lifestyle choices play a significant role in your bone health. Engaging in weight-bearing exercises is one of the best things you can do. This doesn't mean you have to become a professional weightlifter. Activities like walking, jogging, dancing, or even just climbing stairs put gentle stress on your bones, which signals your body to make them stronger and denser. It's all about moving your body against gravity. So find an activity you love and make it a regular part of your routine. Your bones will thank you for it. On the flip side, there are a few things we might want to limit. High intake of caffeine, found in coffee and some teas, as well as the phosphates in many soft drinks, can interfere with how your body absorbs and retains calcium. This doesn't mean you have to give up your morning coffee completely, but moderation is key. Try swapping out a second or third cup for a glass of water, herbal tea, or a refreshing smoothie instead. Small changes like this can add up and have a big positive impact on your long-term bone health. So let's recap the simple steps to naturally boost your calcium levels. Fill your plate with a variety of calcium-rich foods like dairy, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. Make sure you're getting enough vitamin D from sunlight and food to help with absorption. Get moving with regular weight-bearing exercises to build strong bones. And finally, be mindful of your caffeine and soft drink consumption. By incorporating these habits into your daily life, you're not just taking care of your bones. You're investing in your overall health, energy, and vitality for years to come. Here's to a stronger, healthier you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more wellness tips. We'll see you in the next one.